Hey guys, Miles here from Custom Checkout Extensions. Today we're just going to go over how to install the app. So you're on the app screen here. You're going to hit install. Once you install it, you're basically going to get to a page that looks like this. We offer a 30-day free trial. So when you press subscribe now, you'll end up getting to the billing page, but you do have 30 days, so no worries. And then once you subscribe, your app page should look like this. Once you're on this page, I have a link here to some instructional videos, which this video will be on. But right now, what I want to show you is how you actually get it on your store. So it's super simple. If you go into settings and then go to checkout, I'm going to hit customize right here. So this is only for Shopify Plus users. And you're going to add an app block. When you press add app block, you're going to see custom checkout extensions, and you're going to click it and you're in. If you press it back here, you'll see that you can drag this along. Now there's nothing on there right now, so I'll go over how this all works later. But when you type in there, if I go out, you'll see that I can drag this to different spots on the screen. And the other benefit of this app is that you can also, aside from just dragging it wherever you want, you can also add multiples. So there's a bunch of different features packed in here. And so if I want to put certain text in different areas, I can do so. So you'll see those two right there. Anyways, that's it. So that's a quick video, and stay tuned for more videos to go over how these widgets actually work. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at support@customcheckoutextensions.com. Thanks.